Good morning, Rosita. How are you today?
Good morning, my dear teacher and friends. I'm so happy to see you. And you?
We are so happy and excited of having you in our math class. Welcome again.
Thank you very much, my dear teacher.
Good morning, my dear and lovely students. Welcome to our math class. I'm so happy to see you again. Okay, Rosita, what are we going to talk about today?
Today we are going to review non-numeric patterns.
Rosita, what are non-numeric patterns?
Oh, my dear teacher and friends, non-numeric patterns are figures, symbols, or shapes that follow a rule. They can be extended or growing patterns. The extended patterns copy the pattern or the previous model. And the growing patterns get larger or smaller.
Oh, that sounds so interesting, Rosita.
Yeah, that's right, my dear teacher. Okay, my friends, pay attention to Teacher Jamie. She is going to explain you what you have to do in your math book. So let's go and let's start.
Okay, my dear students, non-numeric patterns review. Today is October 13th, 2020. Point number 1. Extiende cada patrón no numérico dibujando la figura que falta sobre la línea en los ejercicios 1 y 2 de la página 414 y 3 al 6 de la página 415 del Mathbook. También dibuja los huevos en el último cartón para extender cada patrón en los ejercicios 7 y 8 de la página 415 del Mathbook. So, pay attention to me.
So, open your math book in page 414.
Exercise 1. We have a snail looking at the right and a snail looking at the left. Now, a snail looking at the right and a snail looking at the left. So we are going to copy the pattern. Continue with a snail looking at the right. Now, a snail looking at the left. Now, exercise number 2. We have one triangle and one circle. 2 triangles, 1 circle. 3 triangles, 1 circle. Now, as you can see, it is a growing pattern because it gets larger. So, in this way, we have 4 triangles. Triangle number 1, triangle number 2, triangle number 3, triangle number 4, and 1 circle. So, the first one is an extended pattern, and the second one is a growing pattern. Okay, now open your math book in page 415. So, independence practice. Extend each pattern. Draw the shapes on the lines. You have to complete the patterns or the non-numeric patterns 3, 4, 5, and 6. For instance, we have a pentagon on the top, a pentagon, to the right, a pentagon down, a pentagon to the left, a pentagon on the top, a pentagon to the right, a pentagon down, a pentagon to the left. So continue with the next two shapes. Now, non-numeric pattern number 4. We have a triangle on the top, a triangle to the left, a triangle down, a triangle to the left, a triangle on the top, a triangle to the left, and a triangle down. So continue with the next two shapes. Non-numeric pattern number 5. We have array, circle, to raise, circle, to raise. So continue with the next 3 shapes. Now, non-numeric pattern number 6. Here we have different corners of the folded sheets. For instance, we have the corner number 3 folded, the corner number 2 folded, the corner number 3 folded, the corner number 1 folded, the corner number 3 folded, the corner number 4 folded, the corner number 3 folded, and the corner number 2 folded. So continue with the pattern in the next 3 lines. Now, draw X in the last cartoon to extend each pattern. So we have in the exercise number 7, 2x in the first cartoon, 4x in the second cartoon, 6x in the third cartoon, and we have to draw how many x are in the fourth cartoon. Now, exercise 8, we have 6x in the first cartoon, 2x in the second cartoon, 6x in the third cartoon, 2x in the fourth cartoon. What is next? How many x are in the fifth cartoon?
So that's all for today. Thank you very much, my dear teacher. I have learned a lot with you and my dear friends. You're welcome, Rosita. So that's all for today. Goodbye, everybody. See you tomorrow. Goodbye,